Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to make almond butter, peanut butter, walnut butter, or pretty much any nut butter that you would want to make. Today I'm going to mix them, but if you want to make them separately, you can do that. So I've prepared my nuts over here. These balls are about 1 cup of nuts, so this is a total of 3 cups. It's usually a little bit easier to use more nuts to make your butter. It's just, in your food processor, sometimes some of the nuts sit on the sides. To process it, more nuts is easier. So I've already turned on my oven over here, but you would want to turn your oven on about 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My nuts in my baking tray. My walnuts over there, and then finally my white almonds. Mix that a little bit. So you want to roast this in your oven for about 10 minutes. So I've already preheated my oven, and now I'm going to put that in there and roast it for 10 minutes. So after your nuts have cooled down a little bit, take them out. By roasting your nuts, you let them release their natural oils and you really bring out the flavor. So these nuts, mine are beautifully roasted. Pour them into your food processor and maybe snack on a few in the meantime. Delicious. I'll just keep a few as a snack for later. So I usually add a little bit of salt. This is some Himalayan salt, about 1.5 teaspoons. You can add any salt you like. It just really brings out the flavor. So I really advise you to do that. Then you can optionally add some oil. This is some vegetable oil I have. This is about 1/8 of a cup. If you have a strong food processor, you actually don't need any oil. You can add some peanut oil, any oil you want, but adding the oil just helps a little bit with that process to give it a little bit of a easier blend to create a nice smooth texture. Okay, take your nuts, pop on your food blender's top, and let's get blending. And let's go. So after 2 minutes of blending, you see this is a nice crumbly looking texture. Now we need to blend again. So you're gonna have to blend for a couple of minutes to really turn this into a paste. But don't get discouraged, you'll get there. Just continue to blend. And put it on for 2 minutes again. So after 2 more minutes, you can see it's really starting to turn into a paste now. So we're almost there. Just keep going. This is gonna be so good. I really love nut butters. You can add it to your smoothies, over a smoothie bowl. You can eat it with snacks, on crackers, whatever you want to do. Okay, so after blending another 4 minutes or so, this is finally done. Now look at that. A creamy, smooth nut butter. This is stunning and I can't wait to try it. You'll never be able to get your nut butter as smooth as the one you would buy in the store, but it's fine, you know? Small little pieces of texture is fine. It just adds uniqueness. So after your nut butter is done, pour it into a glass jar to keep for later. This is a glass jar I had from something I used previously. I like to recycle. Look at that. Jar of perfect, smooth, creamy nut butter. This can go on pretty much anything. Delicious. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please comment down below what you want to see. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Cheers.